Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change DNS Windows 11. So first things first, you have to go to your settings or go to start menu, look for settings, and then you have to look for network and internet. So you need to click this one and you will see here all your internet connection. So if I'm going to tap this, on the left side you will see here different options and problems. Now, for example, if you want to change DNS on your Ethernet, you just have to click this one, double tap or right click and then look for properties. And this is what it looks like. All you have to do is to edit this automatic DHCP, then you can edit your DNS here. Also, you can go back to status and then you need to tap on this view properties right here if you can see, or just properties, tap this one, and once you tap this properties, it will take you directly to this. And again, you have to scroll down and look for IP settings, tap on edit. And then here you can just basically add your DNS. All you have to do is toggle this one on and you will see the information below. And all you have to do is to add, or you can just basically replace this with the DNS that you want. So basically, that's how easy it is to change DNS Windows 11. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.